Make Your Own Luck is a book co-authored by Bob Miglani and Rehan Khan that explores the concept of luck and provides practical strategies for creating opportunities and achieving success. The book combines personal anecdotes, research, and actionable advice to help readers shift their mindset and take control of their own destiny. Key points. 1. Understanding luck. The authors challenge the common belief that luck is random and uncontrollable. They argue that luck is not simply a matter of chance, but rather a product of our actions, mindset, and preparedness. 2. The power of perspective. The book emphasizes the importance of adopting a positive mindset and viewing challenges as opportunities for growth. It encourages readers to reframe their experiences and see setbacks as stepping stones to success. 3. Taking action. Miglani and Khan stress the significance of taking proactive steps to create opportunities. They provide practical strategies for identifying and pursuing new possibilities, such as networking, seeking mentorship, and continuously learning. 4. Embracing uncertainty. The authors emphasize the need to embrace uncertainty and step out of comfort zones in order to expand one's luck. They encourage readers to take calculated risks and be open to new experiences and perspectives. 5. Persistence and resilience. Make Your Own Luck highlights the importance of perseverance and resilience in the face of challenges. The authors share personal stories and offer strategies for overcoming obstacles and maintaining motivation during difficult times. 6. Building a support network. The book emphasizes the role of relationships in creating luck. It discusses the importance of surrounding oneself with positive and supportive individuals who can provide guidance, encouragement, and opportunities. 7. Learning from failure. Miglani and Khan argue that failure is a necessary part of the journey toward success. They encourage readers to embrace failure as a valuable learning opportunity and to view setbacks as temporary detours rather than permanent roadblocks. 8. The power of serendipity. While the authors believe that individuals can influence their luck, they also acknowledge the role of serendipity in life. They emphasize the importance of being open and aware of unexpected opportunities that may arise. 9. Mindfulness and gratitude. The book emphasizes the significance of practicing mindfulness and gratitude as tools for cultivating luck. It suggests techniques for staying present, appreciating small victories, and developing a positive outlook. 10. Creating a personal action plan. In the final sections of the book, the authors guide readers through the process of creating their own action plans to implement the principles discussed. They provide a framework for setting goals, tracking progress, and making adjustments along the way. Make Your Own Luck offers a practical and motivational guide for individuals seeking to take control of their lives, overcome challenges, and create their own opportunities. By shifting perspectives, taking action, and embracing uncertainty, readers are encouraged to transform their luck and achieve success in both personal and professional endeavors.